Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso.com, but this is the official Baja Designs installation guide video for the Fog Pocket Kit on the new 4th generation Tacoma. Now we made a separate video on our channel detailing all the specifications and choices on the different Fog Pocket Kits for this new Tacoma. Check that video right here, and we'll also put a link to that in the description, but Motoroso.com is also an authorized dealer for Baja Designs products if you'd like to shop with us. Now in this video, we're going to show you how to install it step by step. And it is a fairly simple installation process. There's just a lot of little clips, bolts, and screws to be aware of as you're taking off this front clip, but you can do it all with basic tools in about 2 hours. We're just going to show you how to do it step by step right now.
Crack the hood and start by removing the 10mm bolts across the back of the grill. The fourth one sits under the intake scoop, which can be removed by releasing the 4 pop rivets. You'll also want to remove these other pop clips at the back of the grill. Then you can lift gently up on the grill tabs to free up the top part of the front fascia. Next, you'll disconnect the 3 harnesses here on this corner. Now here on the passenger side, we're removing the 2 10mm screws and the 2 pop clips in the fender well. These pop clips release by slightly prying out and then twisting out. Then gently pry these clips off to release the felt liner. Further down the lower edge of the bumper, there are 2 more 10mm screws to release the felt liner, and lastly 1 more 10mm bolt that holds this corner in place. Now remove the 2 10mm screws underneath in the center of the trailing edge of the bumper's plastic skid plate. Now to release the fender flare, if you have them, press this tab from the inside of the bumper and pull out to release the press fit clips, and be able to access and remove the Phillips head screw holding this edge of the bumper in place. Lastly, reach inside the trailing edge of the bumper and press in on this red post on both the driver and passenger sides to release the final clip, and then you can pull out firmly on this corner of the bumper and everything should release. Then you can lift away the whole front fascia and lay it face down on something soft. Remove the shutter assembly by removing these 6 10mm bolts. Now you'll remove all these small silver Phillips head screws around the perimeter of the front plastic trim piece. Next, you'll reach into these 2 pockets to disconnect the parking sensor harnesses. Flip the fascia back over face up and using a panel lever, gently pry up on the plastic trim. Don't force it, just in case you missed one of the screws. This should pop off very easily and then you can place it out of the way. The stock fog lights are held in place by 2 more Phillips head screws. One is easy to access, but the other sits at an awkward angle and you must be very careful not to strip the head of the screw, so take your time. Now wiggle the stock fog light out and release the harness from the back of the light, and then put that old foggy in a safe place. Now repeat that process on the other side. Begin assembling the S2s with their included brackets. It's important the light be positioned with the logo up and the bracket is not symmetrical, so it needs to be mounted in this orientation to sit correctly. Assemble the bracket using a 4mm bolt through the bracket with a spring washer between the bracket and the housing. Make sure to place the large mounting bolt and washer through the bottom of the bracket before placing the bolt and spring washer on the other side. Assemble all 4 of your lights and then you can mount the S2s onto the larger Baja Designs brackets. These are specific to driver side and passenger side, so make sure you pay attention to mount the lights correctly. Simply push the larger bolt through the bracket, add a washer and a nylock nut, and snug these down with 14mm box wrenches, but not so tight you can't move them. Notice the small notch in the bracket. We found this to be the perfect alignment for the fog pockets to be centered inside the plastic trim back on the Tacoma. Before fully mounting everything, we do recommend placing the lights in the bumper position and eyeballing the alignment with that plastic trim to make sure it looks right. Each of the brackets have a notched hole to help with the screw that's tough to reach. So to make life easier, place the OEM screw back in that hole and tighten it down a couple turns. Then poke the light harnesses through the back and the bracket can slide right under that screw, and the second screw can then be placed and tightened, as well as the tough one fully tightened. Again, try to avoid stripping that head. With your fog lights mounted, you can press the plastic trim clip back in place. Turn the fascia back over and replace all the little silver Phillips head screws. Now grab your harness adapters from the kit and plug that into the OEM fog light harness and then connect the 2 S2 harnesses as well. Now repeat that process on the other side. Zip tie your extra cable to keep it clean. Make sure to reconnect your parking sensors as well. Replace the shutter assembly using the 6 bolts you removed earlier. Lift your fascia assembly into place and hang it from the clips at the top of the back of the grille, and place the bolts in with a few turns just to hold it here while you line everything else up, and then press firmly into place. The bumper corner should snap right into place while pushing back and inwards. And don't forget to replace the screw here and then press out that little red release post to lock it in place. You can also now press the fender flares back into place and then clip the felt liner back into place, replacing the 10mm screws with the short one in the top position, and then press your pop clips back in place as well. You'll also replace the 10mm bolt underneath and the last 2 10mm screws on the bottom corner. Repeat that process on the other side. Replace the 2 10mm screws at the back edge of the plastic skid plate. Now you can tighten the 4 10mm bolts on the top of the back of the grille. Reconnect those 3 wiring harnesses. Replace the intake scoop using the 4 pop clips and the other pop clips at the back of the grille. Now you can double tap your ignition button to turn on the accessory mode without starting the engine, and switch your fog lights on using the dial in your left steering column stalk to test your fog lights are all functioning properly. Now just a note, your Tacoma fog lights will not function when the high beams are on or when the truck is in auto high beam mode. You must put everything in basic mode and low beams for the fog lights to activate. And that wraps up your Baja Designs Fog Pocket installation. Now go enjoy them.
All right, we hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn more about the details of these Fog Pocket kits, check out this video right here, and we'll also link to that in the description. And if you're ready to shop for these products, find your way over to motoroso.com. We're an official dealer, and we'd love to help you find the Baja Designs products for your needs. Thanks for watching.